Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Docker in VSCode. So firstly, press Ctrl plus Shift plus X on VSCode. On the search bar, type Docker in there. Select the official Docker extension by Microsoft and click Install. Now once installed, a Docker icon, which is a whale, will appear in your activity bar on the left. You can view start, stop, and view logs for all your containers, manage your locally built or pulled images, inspect their details, or even connect to Docker Hub, Azure Container Registry, or GitHub Container Registry to pull or push images. And that's how you do it, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out. Let me know in the comments below what should I do next, and I will see you on the next one.